You're following up on the horrific situation that occurred in Clarendon. Yes, I'm talking about the Cherry Tree Lane mass shooting. It's been reported that eight is in custody and a $25 million reward has been issued, but me not hear nothing from the police in a no update for the last week. Greetings, and salutations, yeah, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier, you have TV. Yeah, thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not subscribed, hit the red subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok, don't you flip-flop Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen, as the police in Jamaica has reported there that they have up to 8 people in custody. One of them got deceased, got taken out by the authorities. Still, there has no concrete evidence, no satisfaction for the Cherry Tree Lane people, Clarendon, and the people at whole in Jamaica. Any satisfactory information, because the police them come out big, bad, and bold and said that they had information that this is a multifaceted gang, both stemming from inside of the prisons and internationally. Now the High Command has made disclosures that on their social media page that the Jamaican Constable Force has sought to give a reward, and they continue the investigation into the incident that sent shock waves across the country. One suspect was fatally killed during a reported confrontation with members of Islands of Security Force. One firearm was recovered. Meanwhile, the Major Investigation Task Force leading investigation with support from the MOCA, the police High Command said that they have posted on their social media on the X platform, otherwise updated, providing the government would provided that $25 million reward fund for persons sharing information leading to the arrest and charge of the suspects involved in the situation. Now, if you have information linking people on an international front and also in the prison system, why you are asked people to give information? That means Babylon, the government, a lie. People, you are guaranteed, that's why I'm telling you, a government invent crime after they told these people that they have strong evidence that this cartel or these gangs are linked to an international gangster corporation or a cartel behind bars. Now they're offering $25 million to people to get quang off, because you hear what them says, they want information in leading towards arrest and conviction of the suspect. That means me need to come witness against the trial behind man where quang off 8 one time. You are guaranteed don't ramp with we. People at Cherry Tree, Clarendon, we are talk about 4 paths where people get wet up. Them see how 17 did get wet, 9 get quang. And the police said them have 8 of them. 1 of them fatally taken out. The people them has been complaining that the youth, what them said them run out, is an innocent youth. But you know how Jamaicans speak. They never speak the truth. Reporting live, ladies and gentlemen, checking in on this Cherry Tree Lane mass shooting where over 9 people died, over 17 got wet. The community of Cherry Tree in 4 Path, Clarendon, still shaking, and the authorities are still investigating. It don't look like nothing will come out of this one again. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. My granny say, keep by your mouth and keep your life. But I'm telling you, without the help from the community, the JCF and the JDF, them couldn't have anti-task gang, them couldn't have MOD, MOB, them couldn't have high-level security in and stop the criminality, because the Jamaican society are not getting justice from the puny legal system. It's impotent when you have some first world criminal go up against a third world justice system. You not gonna win. It's a sin. Only innocent people suffer in this criminality link. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. The government have issued a $25 million reward for assistance in solving their crime, which they said they knew has an international link and a criminal mind.
Yeah, this is every time when I mention out the Deep Roots TV, ever done it. Up, lift up your head and go lead up, we know that we will run. Deep Roots TV. Oh, shout. Fire,